So finally finished the one with 3 flaps. Guess what? This is for Breville. This is 53.5 millimeter. So let's see. So I put like 17 gram here. I got this funnel, a cute funnel. Well, I guess like 17 is too much. So this is 17 and I set like 15, number 15 right now, or actually let's put number 14. So this is number 14. So this is the very first time. Oop. I guess because of the, yep, it was because of the grind on the flap. So it looks great. So yeah, so now I'm basically keep going to improving things on this system, the one with 3 flaps for Breville. So far so good. It's really nice. Yes.